The TRADEway team and I would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I want to share with you one of the most beautiful passages of Scripture for the Christmas season, and it's in Isaiah chapter 9, verses 6 and 7. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Of the increase of his government and peace there shall be no end, upon the throne of David and upon his kingdom, to order it and to establish it with judgment and with justice from henceforth even forever. The zeal of the Lord of hosts will perform this. This Christmas, let's remind our family and friends that Jesus Christ was born into the world 2,000 years ago, and he's coming back again soon. And when he does, he's going to set up his kingdom on earth for 1,000 years. But this Prince of Peace, Jesus Christ, is the Wonderful Counselor and the Mighty God. He is both the Son of Man and the Everlasting Father. He will reign upon the throne of David from Jerusalem. And this is one of the reasons it is marvelous that we now have a president-elect who will bring America to the forefront of protecting Israel from terrorist governments and regimes. Jesus will bring order and establish his throne with judgment and justice from henceforth even forever. The zeal of God himself will bring this to pass. With so much of the world at war, or threatening war right now, what better news could we have than this promise? Praise be to the Prince of Peace, Jesus Christ. Have a wonderful time with your family and friends, and remind everyone who this season is really about. Merry Christmas from all of us at TRADEway.
Merry Christmas, y'all.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We cannot wait to serve you in 2025. Have a great time with your family.